Hello students. Now fifth chapter has been prepared. The all questions will help you not in board exams but also all competitive exams. So let's start. Bernier had seen the child Sati at Agra, Multan, Delhi, Lahore. Yes, correct answer is Lahore. Next, the system of Varna was described by Bernier, Al-Bruni, Ibn Battuta, Abdul Razak. Yes, correct answer is Al-Bruni. Next, name the city which Ibn Battuta found very impressive. Kannauj, Banaras, Doltabad, Delhi. Yes, correct answer is Delhi. See next. Moroccan ruler had deputed to write what Ibn Battuta dictated. Ibn Jujayji, Abdul Razak, Wali Balkhi, Sheikh Ali. Correct answer is Ibn Jujayji. Next, why were merchants able to transport goods from one place to another during medieval time? Effective postal system, effective law and order, efficient transportation system, all of the above. Yes, effective postal system is the correct answer. Next, which another main city has Ibn Battuta mentioned in his Travels of India? Hampi, Doltabad, Kalinja, Gwalior. Yes, Doltabad is the correct answer. See next. The name of the book written by Ibn Battuta is Kitabul Hind, Diwan Kohi, Travels in Mughal Empire, Rehla. Correct answer is Rehla. Name the language used in Rehla. Urdu, Persian, Arabic, Sanskrit. Yes, Arabic, the language which was used. Next. Yes, next question is name the theory given by Bernier. Communism, socialism, crown ownership of land, human capital. Yes, crown ownership of land. See next. Assertion, reason. Ibn Battuta was able to give interesting description in his travel book about India. Ibn Battuta received literary and scholastic education at the very young age. You know quite well. See, go through all both statements. Yes, correct answer is A. Next. Which ruler invited Al-Bruni to India? Akbar, Muhammad of Ghazni, Babur, Alauddin Khilji. Yes, Muhammad of Mahmud Ghazni. Francis Bernier was associated with which European country? Portugal, France, England, Italy. He had belonged to France. Is the correct answer. What major limitation did Al-Bruni face while studying Indian text? Lack of historical documents, language barrier with Sanskrit, political hostility, ban of foreign travels in temples. Your correct answer is Sanskrit language. See, next. Which of the following is true about Ibn Battuta's travel of India? He was invited by Baba. He visited India during Akbar's rule. He served as a Qazi under Muhammad bin Tughlaq. He came as Portuguese ambassador. Correct answer is Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Next, what is Sharia? Religious book of Muslim, travel book, law book of Muslims, book of on philosophy, law book of Muslim. Abdul Razak, a Persian traveler, visited India during the reign of Vijayanagara Empire. Mughal Empire, Delhi Sultanate, Maratha Empire. Correct answer is Vijayanagar Empire. See next question. Which traveler provided detailed description of diamond mines in India? Francis Bernier, Jean Baptiste Tavernier, Al-Biruni, Ibn Battuta. Correct answer is Tavernier. Next. Duarte Barbosa's accounts are significant for understanding North Indian politics, South Indian trade practices, Mughal court rituals, Buddhist monasteries. Yeah, correct answer is South Indian trade practices. Which traveler translated work of Illicit into Sanskrit for his Brahmins fields? Ibn Battuta, Francis Bernier, Al-Biruni, Abdul Razak, Samarkandi. Correct answer is Al-Biruni. Next, Al-Biruni was born in 973 CE at Khurasan, Baghdad, Khwarizm, Samarkand. Correct answer is Khwarizm. At present, it is called Uzbekistan. Next, Jean Baptiste Tavernier was a French jeweler, Spanish sailor, Portuguese cartographer, Italian soldiers, French jeweler. He was. Karl Marx gave the theory of Oriental despotism, Asiatic feudalism, Asiatic mode of production, agrarian stagnation. Yes, Asiatic mode of production. Next is Marco Polo came from Spain, Portugal, France, Italy. Yes, he was from Italy. See next. As a reason, slavery was practiced in India during the medieval times. Reason, slaves along with other products were openly sold in the market. See both statements. Yes. Correct answer is D. Because, yeah. Which language did Al-Biruni learn to understand Indian text? Tamil, Sanskrit, Persian, Pali. Yeah, he had learned Sanskrit. Is science of measurement, mineralogy, morphology, metrology, meteorology. Yes, correct answer is meteorology. See next. What was the name of the gate described by Ibn Battuta as the greatest in Delhi? Mandvi Darwaza, Gul Darwaza, Badum Darwaza, Delhi Darwaza. Yes, Badaयूं Darwaza. Correct answer. The two types of postal couriers described by Ibn Battuta were traders and soldiers, carrier on camel and bullock cart, runner and horseman, poet and dancers. Correct answer is runners and horsemen. Next is which Indian Sultan offered by Ibn Battuta's position at court? Akbar, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Sher Shah Suri, Alauddin Khilji. Yeah, Muhammad bin Tughlaq is correct answer. What title did Ibn Battuta hold under Muhammad bin Tughlaq? Diwan-e-Insha, Chief Trader, Treasurer, Military General. Yeah, Diwan-e-Insha. Next, which Sultan's court did Al-Biruni come to India with? Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Mahmud Ghazni, Iltutmish, Alauddin Khilji. Muhammad of Ghazni. Which of the following was not a field Al-Biruni contributed to? Mathematics, medicine, astronomy, music. Yeah, correct answer is music. Which group did Al-Biruni mention as being considered the highest in the world system? Kshatriyas, Shudra, Brahmins, Vaishya. Correct answer is Brahmins. Al-Biruni's book that describes the caste system and Hindu practices is Kitabul Hind, Tariq Firuzshahi, Ain Akbari, Majma al Bahrain. Correct answer is Kitabul Hind. Next is, which traveler was known as Globetrotter? Vasco da Gama, Ibn Battuta, Roberto Nobili, Jean-Baptiste Tavernier. Correct answer is Ibn Battuta. He was Moroccan traveler. So all the best. Keep revising all the previous chapters also, and please subscribe and share the channel. Once again, all the best to all of you.